Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. Let's explore the Classroom Dashboard Designer feature for your members. When you receive your website from us, you will have a preset classroom dashboard which will include a few widgets for your instructors, your parents, and your students. Let's head over to the admin portal and learn how to edit these dashboards. Once logged into the admin portal, let's navigate to the Pages link at the top of the page, and then click on Classroom Dashboard. Notice here that we are on the Parent Classroom Dashboard Designer. We also have a Child Dashboard Designer and an Instructor Dashboard Designer. By clicking the dashboard of your choice, you can then work within that dashboard on setting it up for your members. When a member logs on, the landing page defaulted is the home page of your website. If you would like to make the Classroom Dashboard the default landing page for either the parents, the child, or the instructor, you can toggle it by clicking on the Yes button here. So let's do that for our Instructor Dashboard. Let's navigate to the Instructor Dashboard by clicking here. And then let's toggle the landing page for the Classroom Dashboard by clicking on Yes. Now when the instructor logs into the member's website, they will be taken directly to the Classroom Dashboard as their landing page. Again, each website comes with preset widgets and rows for each dashboard. You can edit this to include any widget that you would like. In order to add widgets or delete rows or add rows, you can do that by clicking on several areas. If you'd like to add a row to a dashboard, simply click on the Add Row at the top here. And then adding a widget within a row is simply by clicking on the Add Widget within the row here. By clicking the drop-down within a widget, you can choose the type of widget you would like to have. Many of the Classroom Dashboard widgets are listed together and are titled My Class, and then assignments, attendance, and so forth. But you can put other things on here, like maybe you want to have the calendar on your student's dashboard, or maybe even your parents' dashboard. You're not restricted in this dashboard to only put class information here, if you choose. Within some of the defaulted widgets, if you go to settings, you can see various things that you can choose. With the class settings, you can choose to show as many records or as little as you would prefer. To delete a widget, you simply would just click on the delete button within the widget. To delete a row, you would click on the delete row within the row. It will ask you to confirm that you want to delete that row, and it will also ask to confirm that you want to delete the widget. If you would like to learn more about using widgets, you can watch our YouTube video, which is titled Widget Tool and Home Page Design, on our YouTube channel. If you have further questions in regard to designing your classroom dashboard, please create a ticket and ask for some training. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.